Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 85 of mathematics. So let us start question number 13. The figure is on the right side of your book. We have to find ABP, which is this angle. So for that particular purpose, we have to find the interior angle of a hexagon, and because ABP is the interior angle of hexagon, so that will be the answer. So the sum of interior angles, let me write it, sum of interior angles of a hexagon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. That is a general formula. Because hexagon is having 6 sides, so we have to write instead of n. N is always representing the number of side. So we are writing 4 into 180, and when we calculate it, it will be 720. So because ABP is also the interior angle, so we have to divide that 720 divide by 6, and we will get 120 degree. Now let us do PQX, which is this angle PQ and X, that will be this angle. So we are going to find that this is the half. So we know that the interior angle of a hexagon is equal to 120 degrees. So we have to divide that 120 by 2, because here this line is dividing that angle into two equal parts. So we will write that PQX is equal to 120 degree divide by 2, which will be equal to 60 degree. Why we are writing? Because this is the line of symmetry. So QA is the line of symmetry. So that is why we have to divide that by 2. Symmetry means that they are divided into two equal parts. So here the final answer will be equal to 60 degree. Now the third part is saying AXB, which is this one. For this we have to find the AXB, and can I write A? Let us discuss then. Let me first write AXB is equal to 360 degree divide by 6, and that is due to the angle at a point. Let me first write angle at a point, and then we will angles at a point. Now consider x as a point, and there are 6 different angles on it, which is this one, which is this one, which is this one, which is this one, and this one, and this will also, which is our ultimate goal. So we have to write all these things. Now when we divide 360, so it will be equal to 60 degree. So it means that this will also be equal to 60 degree. Now the fourth part is saying that find the value of ABC, which is this one, ABC, this one. Now we have to consider pentagon. So there are five sides of a pentagon. So we have to write sum of interior angles of pentagon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. In this case n is 5, so I will insert 5 instead of n, and that will be equal to 3 into 180 degree. So it means that this will be equal to 540 degree. So if the interior angle of a pentagon is equal to the sum of, so what will be the value of one angle? So size of each interior angle, and that will be equal to 540 degree divided by 5. So we will get as a result 108 degree, and that will be the answer, because ABC is also an interior angle. So the value of this will be 108. Now in the next part, which is part number 5, and that is saying to find ACD. A, C and D. We are going to find this angle ACD. Now let us say that BCD is equal to what? We found that 108. BCD is equal to 108. We found it from here. So the size because the size of each interior angle of a pentagon is equal to 108. Now let us do a very important assumption and let B A C is equal to B C A, and let us assume that they are x degree because base angles of an isosceles triangle. Now let us say that BAC which is this one and BCA which is this one, because this side is equal to this side, so it becomes an isosceles triangle, and the base angle of isosceles triangle are always equal. So we are going to write it as x. So we can say that x degree plus x degree plus 108 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum of triangle. Now we can calculate 2x degree is equal to 180 degree and negative of 108. So we can write this as 2x degree is equal to 72 and x degree is equal to 72 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 36 degree. So x is equal to 36 degree, and because we found this x degree here, this one and this one as well, so we are going to find this, and we already know that this is 108, and we found this angle to be what, 36. So we have to subtract from the whole angle this partial angle, and that will be the answer. Now we can write that hence we are finding ACD, that will be equal to BCD minus BCA, and that is 108 degree minus 36 degree, which is equal to 72 degree. So in this case we found the value of ACD. Next one is the sixth, and that is ASE. Let us first find that what is ASE, which is this angle, this one, ASE, this angle. So because this side is equal to this side, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Now we have to consider it as a y degree, and that also to be a y degree. And if we found the value of y degree, then we can generalize it to the question given to us. First of all, let us say that size of each interior angle, let me write it here, size of each interior angle of a hexagon is equal to 120 degree. We found that 120 degree. Therefore, BAS angle will also be equal to 120 degree. BAS, which is this one, BAS, this angle. So we found that of hexagon 120, which is here. So we wrote it here, BAS is equal to. And similarly, we also know that size of each interior angle of a pentagon is equal to what? We also found that to be 108 degree. So BAE, is also equal to 108 degree. BAE, this one, BAE. So we also found that we found this one and this one, so we can find this one as well, angle at a point that will be equal to 360 degree. So SAS, first we have to find this one. So we can find that by the theorem of angle sum of a point, 120 degree plus 108 degree plus SAE is equal to 360 degree, and that is angles at a point theorem. So SAE is equal to 132 when we calculate it. Now let us assume that these are the base angle, this one and this one, and I told you earlier that you can write, we found this angle and we can find one angle which is a base angle of the triangle. So we can write generally that x degree or y degree, whatever you want, you can do that. So x degree, y degree plus 132 degree, which we found it here, will be equal to 180, because it is triangle. So we can write base angles of triangle. Now we can write that it is 2x 2x degree is equal to 48 degree and x degree is equal to 24 degree. So the question which was ASE will also be equal to 24 degree, and that is the ultimate answer. Now question number 14 is saying that question number 14 is saying that the figure is given inside on the right side of your screen, and in the figure A, B, C, D, E is a part of an n-sided regular polygon. The ratio of an interior angle to an exterior angle of this polygon is 5 to 1. Remember that if interior angle is 5, then exterior angle is 1. So we will write in a moment this is 5x and this will be 1x degree. So the total will become this one. So let us consider, let interior angle is equal to 5x degree and exterior angle is equal to x degree. That is what is given to us. So we can write that 5x degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angle on a straight line. Adjacent angles on STR line. So it will be 6x degree is equal to 180 degree, and then x degree will be equal to 30 degree. So we found that x degree will be 30 degree. So we can find the number n is equal to 360 divided by 30 degree. So we will find the number of sides in that unknown polygon, and that will be 12. So n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12. N represent always, I told you, the number of sides. Now the second part I copied that so we don't have to go up and down repeatedly. So I copied that figure here as well. So we will concentrate only on the question. In this part, the second part, we have to find ACD, which is this angle. ACD, which is this angle. If we by any means find this angle, then we will subtract it from the whole, and as a result we will be able to find this angle. This is our plan. So let us do practical work on our plan. First of all, I am writing ABC is equal to 5 into 30 degree, which is equal to 150 degree. Why 530? Because The ratio is given interior angle is 5 as compared to the exterior angle of 1. We found 30 to be here, if you can see. Then why I wrote it 30 here. Now we are going to find this angle. So because this is equal to this one, so these two angle BAC and BCA, let BAC is equal to BCA is equal to, let us consider it to be x degree. Why? Base angles of isosceles triangle. So according to that theorem, we wrote it. So now x degree plus x degree plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree angle sum of triangle. So 2x degree is equal to 30 degree. So x degree is equal to 15 degree. It means that we found this to be the 15 BAC, and we found it, and we know that what is the value of this angle. We will subtract that 15 from it. So AC D will be equal to 150 degree minus 15, and that will be equal to 135 degree. So that's it. Now let's turn our focus to part number ADE. We have to find ADE in part number 3. So let's concentrate on it. First of all, we have to find ADE. ADE is this one. ADE is this one. Now, for your convenience, I am removing AC line, and now it is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral in which one is this, one is this, one is this, and one is this one. So if we find the value of this angle, so we can find this by subtracting that value from the ADE will be then the last answer. Okay, let us now start that ABC and BCD, this angle and this angle is 150 degree. We found that this is 150 degree, which is this one, and this is also 150 degree. So we can consider this is y degree or x degree, and this is also. So we can write y degree plus y degree plus 150 degree plus 150 degree is equal to 360 degree, and that is due to the interior angles sum of quadrilateral. So now we can find 2y degree, and when we calculate it, that will be equal to 60, and y degree will be 30 degree. Now we found this value to be 30. Now because this whole angle is 150, so we have to subtract 150 from the 15 from 150. So we can write ADE. ADE is equal to 150 degree minus 30 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. So using different techniques, we found the value of these. Now the final question for today is, and that is the final basic intermediate level question. Tomorrow we will do advanced level question. So the figure is given like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, and X is also a point given to you. In the first part, they want us to find the value of n, and I told you that n is always pointing to the number of sides. So we have to find the number of sides, but for that we don't know in advance that how many sides are there. We know that sum of exterior angles of polygon is equal to 360 degree. So there are 36 degree there are 36 degree given to us. Each exterior angle of this polygon is 36. It is given in the question. So we have to divide that 360 degree by 36 degree, and that will be equal to 10. So in this polygon we are dealing with the 10-sided polygon. Now we have to find BDE. BDE, which is this angle. BDE. Size of the interior angle, I am writing size of the interior angles of n-sided polygon is equal to 180 degree minus, I am writing it here, 180 degree minus 36 degree. 180 degree adjacent angle on a straight line. Adjacent, this question is exactly of the previous one, on STR line. This is a practice. So this is equal to, when we subtract it, it will be 144 degree. Now let us say that BCD and CBD, BCD and CBD is equal to, let BCD is equal to CBD is equal to x degree, and that is base angle of isosceles triangle. Now we can write that x degree plus x degree plus 144 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle. So 2x degree is equal to 36. So x degree is equal to 18 degree. We found this, we consider this and this to be x degree and this also to be x degree. So we found the x degree. Now we know the total of this. So we have to subtract this 18 from 144. So we will find B D E is equal to 144 degree minus, sorry, not 118, 18 degree, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 126 degree. So it means that B D E is equal to 126 degree. Now the final part is CXD. CX and D. You can see that this is CXD. I made it a bit bigger so that you can understand this. C D. So again we will find the base angle, and that is, let us suppose that XCD, let me write it in proper way. Let XCD is equal to XDC, which are the base angles, and that is equal to, we found 18 degree here. So we can write that 18 degree plus 18 degree plus CXD, which actually we are going to find. So that will be equal to 180, and CXD is equal to 180 minus 18 minus 18, and when we calculate it, it will be equal to 144. So in this case we found the value of this. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. Allah Hafiz.